Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ngikhohle ukulike and subscribe. Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngendaba ze-Kaizer Chiefs, but ngizokhuluma ngama-player angakadlali uMaboy, ngikhulume ngoCheslett noShinga, ngikhulume nge-contract standstill yalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs yanabi, ngikhulume ngo-Igataro ku-2 years, kusele kancane nje ukuthi abuye bafethu after ilokhunjana international break or FIFA break uzobuya umdlali. Yeah, maybe even noMorris ngizokhuluma ngaye strikers laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ngaba akasekho ku-Kaizer Chiefs but kusho ukuthi uzamile ngempela ukuhlala naye, maybe sitting somewhere asho ukuthi ayi naye menganikwa i-chance angenza kangcono because Kaizer Chiefs aba-convert ama-opportunities. Enye into engifuna ukuyikhava lana bafethu kule clip ukuthi umndeni wakaMtaung laba aba-young, yes khona ama-department abenza kahle kakhulu, but are they well equipped ukuthi ba-lead i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater heights? Ngibuza lento le because akunama-consequences for bona if i-team ayenzi kahle ukuthi baxoshwe bohlala until. So isn't it better if maybe baqashe abanye abantu? Nakho-ke lokho ngizokukhava. Yeah, ngikhulume but I'll dive out of i-Kaizer Chiefs kancane. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-statement saka-Erasmus ukuthi abantu baqala ama-podcast abakaze bedlale nebhola. Why kumele bakhulume ngebhola washa kwacima? Yeah man, but overall yeah, nama-salaries waku-PSL nanokuthi ame kanjani. Then ngikhulume ngo-Happy Mashiane. Overall i-moment yakhe bekane-career promising, but-ke leya red card siyazi ukuthi yenzani. But asiqaleni ku-Cheslett noShinga. I mean kune-public outcry kakhulu bafethu, abantu ama-fans amaningi ayasho ukuthi why uShinga bengadlali, especially uShinga because uShinga udlale kahle kakhulu bafethu laphana ku-pre-season. I mean i-Kaizer Chiefs, at least if ama-player ashawa ibhench amaningi, Kaizer Chiefs isase-good form, yenza kahle kakhulu, ithola ama-result, and then beyingekho-ke excuse, bekuzoba ne-excuse engcono ukuthi amanye ama-player athize why angadlali. Manje i-Kaizer Chiefs siyayibona on and off, ukudlala bayadlala but they're not converting ama-opportunities abawatholayo. So overall as a team confidence-ke i-down kancane, ayifani than when they started. Ulokhunjana uShinga by the way, it didn't even make i-match day squad. Sikhumbule ukuthi ulimele uMarco, lo muntu akhompyutha naye laphana ku-left back, but still it didn't make the previous match, it didn't make i-match day squad. Makubuya uMarco kusho ukuthi lento le izombeka ku-number 1, or sobona omunye uBongani Sam ongadlali isizini yonke, but it's still early to say this, but if bangamselect uShinga noma enye left back ingekho bafowethu, unavailable, so that's a problem. But uyi-player eli-promising, mina ngambona ukuthi angakwazi ukukhompyutha, angakwazi ngempela ukudlala, maybe-ke lawo ma-minutes afike ukuthi aziprove, but yeah ama-fans amaningi ayafuna ukumbona njengoba bengishilo ukuthi kune-public outcry. Elinye iplayer esingakhuluma ngalo bafethu uCheslett into ayilethayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu amagoli, attacking midfielder eshaya amagoli. Ku-rare ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi outside the box ama-creative midfielders noma laba abadlala i-10 bashaya epalini. Tutuzi Shabalala umbona kayingakho ashaya i-on target out of 18 ngoba bafuna ukudlala, but uCheslett unayo leyo firepower ukuthi ashaye out of 18 and uyakora ngempela serious, hayi indaba yokudlala. Uyi-attacking midfielder ekwazi ukukora ama-long range amaningi, so u-eda lokho ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Omunye uLebowang Maboy asazi ukuthi why angadlali because u-100% fit-ke manje ukuthi adlale bafethu. I remember this interview, in fact bebalapha ngaphandle laphana eSprings, kuyi-media o-Kick-Off o-Soccer Beat namanye ama-media bami-interview laphana ngaphandle ngimlalela, ethi akakabi 100% fit but uzoba ready after, ucabanga ukuthi uzoba ready after ilokhunjana i-FIFA break le yokuqala le Bafana idlala nelokhunjana nabo Nigeria neLesotho. Before lapho washo before kuyiwa kuleyo international break, so for manje kudala ajima ne-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ufit lo muntu lo ukuthi adlale, but kusho ukuthi i-selection ayikho cause makubalwa abantu aba-injured uMaboy abambali nokumbala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs abambali. We don't know why engadlali, but-ke possibly maybe naye sokwazi ukumbona kungasikudala simbone edlala laphana Kaizer Chiefs e-contributor, because i-player ngempela leli abalidinga bafethu elizokwazi ukucontribute lithathe i-Kaizer Chiefs to greater heights. Why? Because une-experience enkulu ebholeni lase-South Africa, even ku-continental level udlalile nakuBafana Bafana. So udlalile ama-matches amakhulu a-important, so uyakwazi ukuhandle i-pressure. The coolest thing about yena ukuthi futhi u-versatile, uyakwazi ukudlala ezi-8, adlale ezi-10, so uyakwazi ukudropha as a-central midfielder, adlale ezi-attacking, adrophe naku-semi-winger. So i-player elingaba important kakhulu Kaizer Chiefs, attacking, even if uyabasiza laphana tracking back, but yeah, i-player important ngempela. Yeah, I think enye into ukuthi I think mentally, if ama-player lawa adlalayo Kaizer Chiefs athenjwayo awadlali kahle, what about lama-player afikayo azodlala kanjani, wona azozimisela kanjani? Yeah, uMayo kumele abe strong mentally. Ngimbonile abhala ama-motivation laphana online, but-ke le situation le ayikwatise noma ngithi inyanyisa abantu abaningi kakhulu ukuthi ungaba greedy kanjani ibhola selongena lithinte, but amaphutha ayenzeka, i-adrenaline yalaphana inside the field of play obvious ayifani bafowethu, thina esingaphandle sijaja maybe different, but hhayi la moment leya ayi ngempela bafowethu ibuhlungu, ayikho mnandi moyibukela nje overall. Naye I'm sure ayemphathanga kahle, but the worst thing ukuthi uModi akakori kakhulu. uModi bayamcriticize isikhathi esiningi for i-Kaizer Chiefs, so bokuyi-moment kaModi leya ukuthi uModi akore and then ashaye i-winning goal for i-Kaizer Chiefs, ku-celebrate-we yena uModi ukuthi finally-ke nangu uyakora, isikhathi esiningi because akakori uModi, so ukuthi a-convert leya opportunities bokuyi-big moment for yena. Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthatha isikhathi eside bafowethu uku-addressa le ndaba lekaNabi, but-ke sengike ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi ama-side awu-2, uNabi kumele bamnike i-settlement e-10 million, uNabi wathi uzo-resign, azange a-resign, it's taking long. Kaizer Chiefs ngeke isho as much as kuyinto ukuthi maybe CAF certificate yakho or ini or i-certificate lesa naso asikho valid for i-CAF because akenzanga i-refresher. I-Kaizer Chiefs noma kuthiwa bakhipha i-statement, bazokhipha i-statement nje esi-normal, ngeke basho ukuthi direct inkinga yini. Well, according to umthetho they might be forced ukuthi mhlampe bambuyisele emsebenzini wakhe or bamkhokhele mahhala, but-ke i-trust broken between bona because kunama-reports a-different ethi ucoach nabo wabona ukuthi abamthembi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, at the same time une-contract. Bekafuna ukuresign immediately ucoach Nabi, but i-management yakhe yamtshela ukuthi mfethu ungaresign uzoluza i-10 million, so ngcono bakuxoshe bona labantu laba, kula uzothola khona i-settlement ama-millions ambalwa. So i-Kaizer Chiefs, that is why kube ne-stand still eside kangaka bafowethu overall. I mean ngifuna ukukhuluma ngama-player, one of the best players engike ngawabukela mina ngesikhathi sami bafowethu ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Angikhulumi in history of i-Kaizer Chiefs, ngikhuluma mina ama-player engiwabukelile. I think would be icala elibovu bafowethu ukuthi ngibala ama-player-ke adlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs, the best players ngingambala uItumelo Nkhune. I mean Itumeleng Khune is one of the greatest South African football players ever bafowethu engike ngalo-witness. I mean why ngisho kanje, ngiyazi ukuthi maybe younger generation would say Khune uyisaka la goalkeeper uyabheda because uKhune bambone late, angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani noKhune waphenduka naye ordinary keeper. uKhune bekangasi-ordinary keeper, he was excellent. Labona mawucabanga nge-moments of brilliance ugoalkeeper walethayo egrawundini, I mean ama-reflexes wakhe. I think first time we introduced to yena, I remember save ama-penalty amaningi. I think bekudlalwa against i-Sundowns, I think it was 2007, 2008. uItumeleng Khune la duma khona i-country yonke nge-match eyodwa. Since from lapho never looked back. I mean for over 8 years laphana solid number 1 ku-Kaizer Chiefs, undisputed. And then I think later on wagaina-ke weight, washada, flexibility beyingasekho that much, but-ke abantu abambukile uItumeleng Khune I think 2007, 8, 9, 10, hayi 11, 12, 13, 14, leyo 8 years leyo, ngiyakutshela bafethu hhayi the best ever. Even ogoalkeeper basemhlabeni noma ungayaphi uyephi ubeke uItumeleng Khune bekakwazi ngempela ukuwumela, ababonise ngempela ukuthi for me he has been one of the most talented, in fact not even just ogoalkeeper nje kuphela, in terms of ama-play engike ngawubona egrawundini. Lo muntu lo bewina footballers of the season bafethu, players play of the season, ama-player mvume, even nakuma SA Sports Award la beka-compete against laba abaswimayo, abagijimayo, wonke ama-sportmen base-South Africa, but bekakwazi ukuwina. Lo muntu lo bekashaya, angisakhumbula abo-Cameroon laba abaswimayo, and then bokuno-Chadli Clow amshaya naye, so ashaya namanye ama-sprinters like important abadlala ama-boxing, abantu like abakuma-sports a-different. Lokho kuyasibonisa ngempela ukuthi uItumeleng Khune i-superstar, or he was a superstar for i-Kaizer Chiefs for iBafana Bafana. Unfortunately-ke i-career yakhe ayiphelanga kahle because sibonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni, but won't dive deep to izinto ezi-negative kakhulu. But-ke masibheka amanye what in fact when I look at ama-best players for i-Kaizer Chiefs mina bafethu it's the heart, like maningi ama-player, khona amanye adlala isikhathi esincane ku-Kaizer Chiefs but inhliziyo mawumbukela egrawundini uyabona ukuthi umisele. I would go straight to his striker bafethu engike ngasibukela Kaizer Chiefs, one of the best ever, Knowledge Musona. What a player bafethu, what a superstar, super talented striker. Umsebenzi wakhe bekushaya amagoli kuphela, akubekanga naye flair super skillful ezinye izinto, but ukushaya amagoli bokumsebenzi wakhe, bekalishaya igoli bekangadlali, bekaphanisha ngempela. Sambona ku-Knowledge Musona waze wahamba waya boma-Germany, imagine Germany bafethu. Waba ne-career enhle kakhulu, but-ke nje konke kwaqala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So i-Kaizer Chiefs beyikwazi ukusayina ama-players agudi, akwaziyo ukudiliva ngempela. Even uMbesuma bamthatha, I think that time bamsayina uMbesuma, I was very young but I remember the moment bamsayina team yaseZambia, ngisakhumbula ukuthi iphi, but at the time bengadlalela i-senior team yaseZambia, bedlala i-national team, bedlalela ngathi ama-under 20 or so, but beshisa kakhulu. So they had that thing yokuthi bayakwazi uku-scout ama-player, basayina ama-player right, akwaziyo uku-add something formidable to i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi i-player abazoli-add ngempela zizokwazi uku-add something. So manje, I mean, they've signed worst players ever bafethu in terms of foot laphana ku-striking department. I mean singabala ama-striker bafethu eziyi-10 for the past couple of years ezifikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, afeyila zonke, no heart, no desire, nothing, iy'nkomo abantu can't even trap the ball. And this thing loku iyaqhubeka manje, basayine thingingamusho, but yeah, striking department yeah, kunzima kakhulu. There's a sort of i-identity, yabona masibukela uMfundo Vilakazi, you could see one of the biggest stars ku-South African football in terms of like iflair yakhe nanokuthi urepresentani. I-Kaizer Chiefs beyi-representa something strong, beyikwazi ukuba nama-players arepresent iKhasi football, but at the same time they have the heart and the hunger and the desire to win. But ama-players isikhathi esiningi manje sebajabulela nje ukuthi adlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. In fact abanye bajabulela nokuthi nje bahlale ebhentshini, but bakhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs baholela mahhala, ayisekho lento le-fighting spirit. Asimuveleni kuMorris, bengifuna nje ukukhuluma ngoMorris. Morris abakamselect, not even a single match day squad this season, akusiyi-player vele kuma-plans we-Kaizer Chiefs. But guess what, the striking department they are misfiring. Maybe-ke naye uMorris uyozayithola opportunity ukuthi naye akhethwe, maybe uyahlala lapha endlini mebukela igame or from ama-grandstand asho ukuthi hayi nami ngabe ngilishayile leli, maybe-ke sekungaze kuthole uMorris opportunity. Mawumbheka uMorris naye is not a sharp striker, mawubheka i-goal record lakhe uyabona ukuthi hayi li-two ways ngempela, akusiwo umuntu ongamthemba ukuthi uzoshaya amagoli, but-ke they don't convert their opportunities. Naye mhlawumpe umuntu ofana noMorris uhleli laphana uyasho ukuthi hayi angenza kangcono. Sikhumbule-ke we are yet to see u-Ighodaro lo osejima ne-Kaizer Chiefs manje-ke uyabuya ku-injury kancane kancane, possibly sombona soon, maybe-ke naye u-hungry uzokwazi ukuthatha leya number 9 ayi-own kube yakhe. Asimuveleni okunye bafethu ebengifuna ukulokhu njani ukukhuluma ngakho. iMtaung family obviously-ke ulona Dr. ubani, Mr. Mtaung or Dr. Mtaung, lo uKaizer Mtaung senior, lo mdala wa-create i-Kaizer Chiefs, wabuild i-empire e-strong, but-ke manje kusebenza iy'ngane zakhe kakhulu laphana, which is very important obviously-ke, ukuqhubeka i-family legacy nanokuthi iy'ngane zakhe zingasebenzeli amanye amakhampani. But the thing is manje the family or the people who work there, angeke abekho abantu aba-account-a kubo ukuthi mhlawumpe if i-team ayiperform kahle kumele ba-answer, possibly maybe they could possibly be fired from i-team. Ayikho leyo nto leyo kubo at all. So maybe-ke that is why kune-sense of ukuthi mhlawumpe baya-relax-a, akekho umuntu ozobakhipha ey'khundleni. Maybe i-Kaizer Chiefs if ingathola abanye abaphathi from outside ibaqashe kwamanye ama-department, bangakwazi ukuphusha i-team ngempela ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukudiliva ama-results, because i-team mayingadiliva ama-results bazoxoshwa labantu laba. Manje-ke laba bakaMtaung they won't be fired noma i-team kuthiwa kwenzakalani ne-team, kuzoxoshwa ama-coach khanjiswe nama-player, but bona they will remain. I don't think it's a good business model, but-ke bakhulele under i-structure se-Kaizer Chiefs, se-winning Kaizer Chiefs, but then mabakhula bona kuma-different departments bekusebenza abantu aba-different aba-well equipped ukuthi babe kulawo ma-position lawo. So I mean kumanye ama-department benza kahle kakhulu sis Jessica. I mean ku-marketing, I wish i-marketing department yabo ingaba mhlampe yibo aba-lead-ayo in terms of ukuthi even leyo nto le transfer to or iwele nase-groundini nama-players, because marketing they go all out, man. I think manje they focus more on ukuthengisa amajezi ne-brand, so i-brand as a whole as i-Kaizer Chiefs, but ama-results inside the field of play, I think they bajabuliswa ukuthi banama-fans amaningi, so kune-element of ukurelaxa because bayazi ukuthi banama-loyal fans whether they're winning or not winning. But yeah, kumele bakwazi ngempela ukudeliver for ama-supporters, man. Ama-supporters ayadeserve ngempela ukujabula because they go to the stadiums ebusuku kumnyama bafowethu, but they travel long. Abanye bayasho ukuthi abakwazi ukuphila ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs. So it all up to ama-players and the management to make sure that they build a strong team that would be well equipped to compete, yabo. So mase sengiyivala lento le ngifuna ukuyivala ngo-Happy Mashiyane sengikhuluma ngaye kakhulu, but there's something engiyibonile but ngeke ngidive kuyo kakhulu, but I want to take you back few years back bafowethu badlala ifinally i-CAF Champions League la thola khona i-red card. I saw interview yakhe or i-clip somewhere yakhe athi ekhuluma ngendaba yokuthi he was never the same again after ilokhu njani, after leya final leya, because abanye abantu bebama-attack-a laphana online, but abanye bebamphusha or bammotivate basho ukuthi izinto ezikanje ziyenzeka, because i-Kaizer Chiefs they were expected ukuthi bawine laphana i-CAF Champions League because sabona ukuthi bafika kanjani, bafika kanzima kumnyama but bagcine bafikile. Even naye player uHappy Mashiyane wathembisa ukuthi bazokwazi ukuyiwina, but they could not win it. Maybe it was just too much for yena umfana. I remember yabona, because i-CAF Champions League idlala i-second leg, mawucabanga yona ucabanga ukuthi badlala i-home and away, but guess what, badlala i-match eyodwa nje kuphela, azange badlala ama-match awu-2 normally. La i-Kaizer Chiefs ke yashawa khona second half, first half yaya kulokhu njana ku-not, but-ke mekubuywa Kaizer Chiefs they could not stand because manje besukuyi-10 men against 11 men, they were easily exposed and then bashawa I think amagoli awu-3 if angenzi laphana iphutha. But uMashiyane watholile ama-chances amaningi years later, obvious watholile ama-opportunities amaningi ukuthi a-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs and a-deliver ama-good results, but-ke akakwazanga ukuthatha lawo ma-opportunities overall. Asazi ukuthi mentally where was he, maybe leya nto iloku yamlandela iyam-affecta, because it's very important ukuthi ezinye izinto abantu bayisukumele bafowethu ukuthi psychologist or like, cause into iku-affecta isikhathi ngaku-affecta 15 years 50 years if into yakhona ayisukumeli. But umdlali bafowethu angadiscourage-wa into yakudala, izinto ziyenzeka. I mean abantu they lost ama-World Cup ngama-mistake wama-players, but they didn't give up, they kept fighting, bathola namanye ama-opportunities. So I mean as much as kubuhlungu ukuthi mhlawumbe i-career yakhe ayihambanga the way befuna ukuthi ihambe ngakhona, but-ke I mean una-27 or so, he can always bounce back, he can always make something out of nothing, out of the situation le akuyo laphana kulokhu njani. Kuswelele FC bamnika opportunity entsha ukuthi a-revive i-career yakhe, akwazi ngempela ukubuya, akwazi ukuziprova ukuthi angadlala to the highest level, because I mean it's a new opportunity for yena ukuthi nje adlale overall, nanokuthi a-prove a-deliver ama-good results overall for iSwelele FC, and then maybe Kaizer Chiefs izombiza back. But-ke I don't think ilokhu njana i-Kaizer Chiefs isazobabiza abafana, but you never know ukuthi i-relationship yabo ne-Kaizer Chiefs kanjani, because i-history ye-Kaizer Chiefs kahle kahle masibheka bafowethu, they don't call abantu abaye ku-loan, like waya ku-loan awusabuyi njengoba bengishilo kwenye i-clip, but Maybe izinto zingashintsha if abafana bangadlala kahle kakhulu, baprogresse and then baprove ngempela ukuthi bayadeserve ukuba senaturen. Banikiwe ama-opportunities, banikiwe ngempela ama-opportunities amaningi bafethu, hhayi kancane kakhulu futhi, but ya kumele baziprove. There's something kulokhu njena ayikhulumile which is very important. Ezinye izinto kumele siy'nake. Kaizer Motaung uthi ama-player wabo lawa abuya ku-DDC team or ku-Diski Challenge abasafuni ukwalona. Reason why? Because kusho ukuthi abadlali amagame amaningi, uthola ukuthi bahlala ebhentshini, uthola ukuthi i-progress yabo manje sekuyinkinga e-serious ukuthi abaprogressanga to the next level in terms of ukuthi bathole i-game time. So they would rather keep ama-players wabo laphana ku-DDC team, bangabahambisi overall. So mhlampe leyo nto leyo izobasebenzela in a long run, mhlampe ngeke ibasebenzele. So we just have to wait and see bafethu, sibone ukuthi izinto zabo azizohamba kanjani overall, because it's not an easy thing ukuya ku-loan, especially uma usuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Imagine usuka ku-Kaizer Chiefs bakulona to Isuwelele FC, i-team enganayo i-equipment efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, i-pedigree efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. You're getting less attention manje compared to the time uku-Kaizer Chiefs. So mentally iyakushaya, noma ngithi ingakushaya le nto leyo ukuthi ungadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma uhanjiswe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So i-career yakho uthola ukuthi seyiphela, not because you are a bad player, iphela because you are affected by you being sent away from i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-team enayo yonke ama-facilities ongawacabanga emhlabeni bafowethu. So overall angibafisela inhlanhla abafana ukuthi bakwazi ukuphumelela, bakwazi ukubuya overall laphana ba-compete to the highest level. Sengiyavala-ke okwamanje bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko.